As an English learner, have you ever felt lost when someone uses an idiom you don't understand? Today, we're going to change that by mastering the idiom big picture. Understanding this common expression can greatly improve your communication skills. Let me share a funny story about a time someone misunderstood the big picture. My friend, who was new to English, thought it meant a large-scale painting or photograph. So, when his boss told him to focus on the big picture, he spent the entire meeting staring at the office wall, trying to analyze a giant landscape painting. So, what does big picture really mean? It's a figurative expression that encourages you to consider the overall goal or broader context, rather than getting caught up in minor details. Let's see how big picture is used correctly. My colleague was feeling overwhelmed by a complex project, so I reminded her to keep the big picture in mind. This helped her refocus on the project's main objectives and find more efficient solutions, rather than getting bogged down in small problems. Here are some examples of how to use big picture in different contexts. Casual conversation. Let's not get too caught up in the small stuff, let's look at the big picture. Formal setting. When evaluating this proposal, it's important to consider the big picture and long-term implications. Negative context. You're missing the big picture by focusing solely on short-term profits. Humorous context. I was so busy staring at the big picture, I forgot to watch where I was walking. Literary context. The protagonist struggled to see the big picture, blinded by their own personal biases. Business setting. As a leader, you need to keep the big picture in mind when making strategic decisions. Social media usage. Don't get too caught up in the likes and comments. Remember to focus on the big picture of your content strategy. To help you remember the meaning of big picture, try visualizing a giant landscape painting. This visual metaphor can remind you to step back and consider the overall context, rather than getting lost in the small details. Here are some fun facts about the idiom big picture. The origin of this idiom likely comes from the visual metaphor of stepping back to see the full scope of a situation. Similar idioms exist across various cultures, reflecting the universal importance of broad perspective. For example, can't see the forest for the trees is used in both North America and the UK. Here are some related sayings to big picture. Similar idioms: see the forest for the trees, focus on the essentials, prioritize the key objectives. Opposite idioms: can't see the forest for the trees, get bogged down in the details, miss the forest for the trees. Related idioms: think outside the box, take a step back, keep the end goal in mind. Let's try rephrasing big picture in a different way. Original: when planning for the future, it's important to keep the big picture in mind. Rephrased: when planning for the future, it's important to consider the overall context and long-term implications, rather than focusing solely on immediate concerns. Here's a real-life example of how using the big picture idiom can be effective. My colleague was getting bogged down in minor details while working on a project proposal. I reminded him to focus on the big picture, to consider the broader impact and long-term goals of the project. This shift in perspective helped him identify the most important priorities and present a more compelling proposal to the client. Let's address some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using the big picture idiom. Grammatical mistake: saying "I need to keep the big pictures in mind" is incorrect. The idiom is singular, so it should be the big picture. Meaning misunderstanding: some people may think big picture refers to a literal large-scale image, as in the story I shared earlier. It's important to understand the figurative meaning. Inappropriate context: big picture is often misused in situations where the details are actually important. It's best to use this idiom when discussing broader strategy or long-term goals. Let's test your understanding of the big picture idiom with a few quiz questions. 1. What does big picture mean? A. A large-scale painting or photograph. B. The overall context or goal. C. Focusing on minor details. Answer: B. 2. Which of these is a synonym for big picture? A. Narrow focus. B. See the forest for the trees. C. Get bogged down in the details. Answer: B. 3. Which of these is an antonym for big picture? A. Keep the end goal in mind. B. Think outside the box. C. Can't see the forest for the trees. Answer: C. In summary, the idiom big picture encourages you to consider the broader context or overall goal, rather than getting caught up in minor details. Understanding and using this idiom effectively can greatly improve your communication skills in English. Now it's your turn. Share your experiences with using big picture in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more idiom lessons. Let's try using big picture in a sentence. How would you describe the big picture of your goals for learning English?